Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art and our super simple Christmas card series. We've already made a whole range of Christmas cards for you that are super simple and take less than 5 minutes to make. In fact, the majority of these only take 2 or 3 minutes to make. If you want to make your own Christmas cards this Christmas and don't have too much time but want them to be super cute, do have a go at these super simple designs. And of course we have Ted here because we love Ted. And you know what? Ted's a polar bear, so he's perfect for Christmas. Come on, let's take a look and see how to make this super simple Ted. So I've challenged myself to make Ted. Here we have Ted as a guide. Here's some Ted colours and the card. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my card, fold it in half. Then I'm going to cut out a Ted snout. Let's see how big we make Ted. I haven't actually decided yet. Totally making this up as we go along. Let's hope I get it right. Actually, he's quite round. He's not that oval. It's a bit more round. Let's have a look. So this is part of our Christmas card quick makes. So I'm doing a quick Ted. We need some rosy cheeks. Key thing with Ted actually is just to get the proportions right, which kind of takes a bit of practice, but you know, if you love Ted, it's totally worth it. Then I'm going to try and do a little bow tie. This is always the fiddliest. Sometimes I have to do the bow tie twice. So let's see. You might want to draw the bow tie out first, or maybe check out some of my other Ted crafts. There are some templates which will help. Not too bad. It's not perfect, but I think it's okay actually. Let's see, and then I need a little bit of a Ted kind of tummy. I feel like doing the Ted bookmark, right? So, might have it a bit lower down, might have it there, there. Okay, let's do the Ted mouth, which is always the hard bit. That's quite good. And he comes down the middle. And then he has a shy little smile at the bottom. I think that's good. Oh, my little Ted card. So cute. Okay, I think it's time to glue things down. Really cute. And then the tummy, we can trim some of that in a minute. So Ted's like a little polar bear, isn't he? So I think he would be a really nice addition to any Christmas card making. And then you need just here one eye, and just here the other eye. And then some little furry bits. Maybe indicate that this is a bow tie. And there we go. Should have probably outlined it before sticking it down, but that's okay. Little trim. I mean, this Ted doesn't have any ears because it's a simplified version, isn't it? And Ted is finished. So there we go. Isn't that adorable? We have a Ted card. Super easy to make out of simple colours and materials. I'm kind of tacking this on my special super simple Christmas craft cards that you can make in under 5 minutes. And I think Ted definitely belongs there. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, check out all the other super simple card makes, and see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.